Have you ever wondered who is the greatest king of all? Today, we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Malik-ul-Mulk, which means the king of all kingdoms. This name tells us that Allah is the only true king who owns and controls everything in the entire universe. He is the one who gives power and takes it away. Let's think about what a kingdom is. A kingdom has a king who rules over land, people, and makes important decisions. But even the biggest kingdom on earth is tiny compared to Allah's kingdom. Allah's kingdom includes the whole earth, all the stars, the moon, the sun, and everything we can see and cannot see. That's why He is Malik-ul-Mulk. When we say Allah is Malik-ul-Mulk, we remember that He is in charge of everything. He decides when the sun rises and sets. He makes the seasons change. Allah doesn't need anyone's help to rule His kingdom. He is perfect and powerful in every way. So how can we remember this special name in our daily lives? When you see something amazing like a beautiful sunset or a rainbow, remember that Allah created it. When you feel worried about something, remember that Malik-ul-Mulk is taking care of everything. You can make dua and ask Allah for help because He has power over all things. You can also be kind to others and take care of the world around you, knowing it all belongs to Allah. Remembering that Allah is Malik-ul-Mulk helps us feel safe and grateful. So next time you think about kings and kingdoms, remember Allah is the king of all kingdoms. He is Malik-ul-Mulk, and His kingdom has no end. Let's always thank Allah for being such a wonderful and powerful king who takes care of us every single day.